guys, Dr. Mike Lynch here from ADIO Health Chiropractic. So we're really excited about today's testimonial video. One of the biggest things that we pride our office in is keeping the main thing the main thing. I'm a chiropractor, that's what I'm an expert in, or I'm striving to be an expert, so that's what I love to focus on. But I also understand that there are certain times and places that we need to refer out and we need to talk about other things, in nutrition being one of them. Good proper food, good nourishing food. So one of my favorite places to go in the city of Boulder is Fresh Thymes. Before my wife and I even moved to Boulder, we stopped at Fresh Thymes and we were so blown away by the food itself, the ambiance of the actual restaurant, and we actually met Christine, the owner, as well. So long story short, we moved to Boulder, opened our clinic just a couple blocks away from Fresh Thymes, and now we frequent there multiple times on a weekly basis. So I want to chat with her real quick about kind of her mission, her vision, why she wanted to bring a restaurant to Boulder like Fresh Thymes. So I guess what was your biggest vision for bringing another farm to table type restaurant to Boulder?
Hi, Mike.
Hey.
Thanks for asking me to come. I have been a holistic natural chef for a very long time and in the restaurant business for a long time. And I really felt like there was this missing link in town. Like, there's a lot of people who are super health conscious and lead active lifestyles, but there really wasn't a way for them to access that food that they ate at home, the way that they ate at home outside of their home. So other than like a high-end farm-to-table dining experience that's really pricey, there wasn't anything that was just approachable and easy and casual, but also just served really high-quality, nutrient-dense food.
Love it, love it, love it, love it. So do you want to talk about some of the local places that you get your food from?
Yeah, we source a lot of our animal proteins locally. Clint Buckner, Mary Kay, they are Boulder Lamb. We get a lot of our animal protein from them. They're a local farm in Longmont, and we get a lot of our produce from them. And then we source from a lot of local farms. We actually do a local organic produce company that does a lot of the sourcing for us locally, because we have such a high volume. It's hard for us to source out 12 pounds of arugula a day to all these different
12
farmers.
pounds a day?
Yeah, that's how many arugula we use.
Okay, so when it comes to food, so there's a famous quote out there. They always say food can be it's the greatest medicine, or it can be one of the worst things you do for health. In my opinion, or for us, my wife and myself, it's one of the things that we spend the most money on in our budget is good food, because you take care of your body, it's going to take care of you long term, right? So do you want to share your experience on being an actual practice member, patient in our office? Yeah,
I'm a long-term practitioner of holistic health, and take care of my health in a holistic way, and food is actually the same as you and your wife, is the cornerstone of my healthcare practice and that of my children and my husband as well. And I really believe in just self-care, and I think good chiropractic care goes along with that. Mike has taught me an awful lot about how optimal alignment really does serve all of the other pieces and components of your body. And so food goes hand in hand with good chiropractic care, interestingly enough.
Totally, yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Structures function when it comes down to it. When you have improper structure in the spine, you're gonna have improper function of the body, okay? But when we improve when we improve the structure of the spine, you take in good nutrients, your body's not having to adapt to all of these different stressors in your life. We call them chemical, physical, emotional stresses. So a lot of times some of the food that people eat now, just because everyone is so busy, right? It's not very good, okay? But you cruise over to Fresh Thymes, their new marketplace, right next door to our office on Bluff. Go check that out. You can grab something from the refrigerator, from the refrigerator, right?
Takeout case.
The takeout case.
Fresh fridge.
So stop by, check them out. It's incredible food. Thank you so much for your trust.
Yeah, and I think that everybody should stop by and really, really consider being a regular patient of yours. It doesn't take a lot of time. I love how easy you make it for people. You can just stop in. It
people
really
are busy,
only takes,
right?
15 minutes, 10 minutes, and it's really easy, and I've noticed huge changes in my health
Awesome.
that have been really positive.
We appreciate your trust.
Thanks, Mike.
All right, so hey, reach out to Christine at Fresh Thymes. They're right on 30th Street
Come to ADIO Chiropractic.
in the Steel Yards, and have an incredible day. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.